Hello, future warriors. Namaste, Adab, and Sat Sri Akal, and welcome back for another interesting session provided by SSB Crack Exams. This particular session is regarding the notification released very recently by Indian Army regarding the Short Service Commission entries, the technical entries to be more specific regarding the 57th course for men and 28th course for men, which are going to be conducted in the Officers Training Academy, Chennai. So these are the very important details regarding the SSC Tech related notifications, and all the most interesting candidates are requested to apply for this particular most interesting entry. So in this particular session, I will be discussing about what all are the eligibility criteria, the conditions, the date of birth qualifications, the age related criteria and all, and I will also discuss with you some of the most brief understanding regarding this entry so that we will get a very proper understanding. The notification has already been there live in our website, and you can also go through with the description box wherein which you will get the official notification. So here in this particular update, I will be explaining about what all are the very brief most important contents that you must actually see in this particular important notification related details. So as I always begin with introducing with SSB Crack Exams that we are actually India's largest most preferred online defense exams preparation portal. SSB Crack Exams has been training millions of defense aspirants who are aspiring to join the Indian Armed Forces, especially the Army, Navy and Air Force, and also for those aspirants who are also interested to join into the Central Armed Police Forces, also the paramilitary forces of our country. So we can go through with our complete course and application. You can download SSB Crack Exams learning app from Google Play Store and subscribe yourself to your favorite course wherein which we are providing the complete detailed updated content regarding the examinations of NDA, CDS, AFCAT, INET, Territorial Army, Indian Air Force, Airmen, Group X, Group Y, Central Armed Police Force, Assistant Commandant's examination, also for the Army Cadet College, Military Nursing Service, and whatever particular examination is concerned regarding the current young aspirants. So for all of them, these important related courses are already live from our side. You can use the code Warrior10 to get a discount on all of our courses, wherein which the moment you start utilizing our application, our defense counselors will have a conversation with you, and then you can have a talk with them. You will get to understand on taking the course with a very proper rate and start off with your preparation with full josh and happiness. So what are we trying to discuss in this particular update, sir? Regarding this one, I will be discussing about the eligibility criteria of SSC Tech related details that are published recently, number of vacancies that are mentioned in this particular one, the terms and the conditions of the service, the training regime on how to apply for this particular entry, and thereafter I will discuss with you about the selection procedure and how are they going to select the candidate from the Army side. So how is the integrated headquarters of Army is going to select the candidates through this particular SSC Tech scheme and all, right? So without wasting any time, so to go through in a very proper understanding in a very brief format, applications for this particular entry are actually invited only from the eligible unmarried, remember, only from both unmarried male and unmarried female engineering graduates only for the grant of the Short Service Commission. And this Short Service Commission is the 57th course for men in OTA and 28th course for women in OTA. So this is going to be a very interesting and prestigious course for, or as usual, like however previous course were going on, so this course will also become, it will train the aspirants to become the future officers for our country. So this particular complete training will be commencing on October 2021. So related to that, these applications have been invited very recently. So this is something that we need to understand and go through. To get through more detail, what is the age limit, sir? To be more specific, the age limit of the candidate who is applying for this particular entry, his age should be between 20 to 27 years as on 1st of October. That means by 1st of October, your age should not be less than 20 years and it should not be more than 27 years. To be more specific and to be extremely specific regarding this issue, the candidate should not be born earlier than 2nd October 1994 and not later than 1st October 2001. So every candidate who's applying for this particular entry should not have his date of birth before 2nd of October 1994 and not after 1st of October 2001. To get through more detail regarding the nationality related issues, you can go through the notification given in the description box, and also for your kind information, only the date of birth which is mentioned in your 10th class or matriculation or the equivalent secondary school examination certificate, only that will be taken as the date of birth standard. Understanding, no other certificate, even if there is a birth certificate, that is also not going to be considered. Only the date of birth that is mentioned in your 10th class or matriculation certificate, only that is going to be considered as a standard date of birth for yourself. Remember that important term also. Going through with the educational qualification, to be more specific, the candidate should have either passed this engineering degree course or he must be in the final year of engineering degree course. So for those who have already passed the engineering examination, they have no problem. They can directly go and they can apply. They will have all their certificates, so they will happily show the certificates. But for those candidates who are actually in the final year, that means they are going through with the final year, they can also apply. But there is an important thing that they must understand. They should be able to submit the proof of passing their engineering degree examination along with the mark sheets of all semesters or years by 1st of October 2021. That means by 1st of October 2021, you should have all the certificates of all the semesters and years of your engineering degree passing examination, and you should produce all of those certificates within 12 weeks from the date of commencement of training at OTA Chennai. That means by after 12 weeks of the 1st of October 2021 only you will have the time to submit your certificates. By those 12 weeks, that means within those 12 weeks, if you fail to submit your certificates, then your candidature at Officers Training Academy Chennai will be cancelled. Remember that, and then move your steps with a very complete and planned phase manner. To get through in detail regarding the vacancies and the educational qualifications for the men, for all of those engineering graduates who are going through with their civil engineering or building construction technology or any other allied engineering courses, there are around 60 vacancies for them. It is a huge number of vacancies for the civil engineering graduates, so please, you can go through with that. And even architecture, even B.Arch candidates can also apply for this particular entry. Only one vacancy is there, so you can go through with that. All the mechanical engineering and allied related engineering courses, there are 5 vacancies. Electrical and electronics engineering and allied branches, 8 vacancies. Electronics and allied engineering itself, there are only 2 vacancies. To get through more detail about whatever allied when I'm speaking about, then what sort of allied engineering degrees are there, you have to go through with the notification. Only then you will understand the original allied engineering branches. At any other engineering branch that is not mentioned in the notification will not be considered. So please take that also into your mind. And computer science engineering candidates and allied branches, and even those who have done an MTech or MSc in this computer science, even they are also eligible. Regarding that, they have 31 vacancies. Information technology engineering or allied, and also having an MSc in this particular field, around 12 vacancies for them. Electronics and telecommunication engineering or possessing an MSc in this particular field, even those graduates can also apply. For them, there are around 5 vacancies. Telecommunication engineering and allied, 4 vacancies. Electronics and communication engineering with or without MSc in that particular field, 5 vacancies. To get through more detail, satellite communication engineering and allied, 3 vacancies. Microwave electronics or microelectronics or microwave engineering and allied, 3 vacancies. Aeronautical engineering and allied, 6 vacancies. Electronics and instrumentation engineering and allied, 4 vacancies. Automobile engineering and allied, 3 vacancies. Production engineering and allied, 3 vacancies. Industrial engineering and allied branches, 6 vacancies. Optoelectronics and allied engineering branches, 3 vacancies. Fiber optics, 2 vacancies. Biotechnology, 1 vacancy. Ballistics engineering, 1 vacancy. Rubber technology, 1 vacancy. Chemical engineering, 1. Workshop technology, 3 vacancies. Laser technology, 2 vacancies. So on the whole, for men, there are around 175 different openings for the graduates who can directly apply. So there are 175 vacancies for this particular course at OTA Chennai. So please remember this. What about women? Sir, you might be asking about the women. So regarding the women, for the women branches, around 5 vacancies are open for the civil or building construction technology engineering and allied branches. For those female candidates, there are around 5 vacancies. And again, mechanical engineering and allied, 1 vacancy. Electrical and electronics engineering and allied, 1 vacancy. Computer science engineering and allied or possessing an MTech or MSc in that particular field, around 4 vacancies. Information technology engineering or having an MSc, 2 vacancies. Aeronautical engineering and allied, 1 vacancy. So on the whole, for these girl graduates who are applying for this particular entry, there are around 14 different entries, and these are your vacancies as per your branches. So you can go through with this complete update which is already mentioned. To have a complete understanding regarding the allied branches, please go through with the original notification that is mentioned in the description box, which is already live in the study material section of the SSB Crack Exams website. You can even go through regarding the terms and conditions of the service. Please remember, only a short service commission will be granted in the regular army for around 14 years. That means for an initial period of 10 years, extendable by a further period of around 4 years. So this is simply a short service commission entry. Understanding? So short service commission graduates can become permanent commission graduates, but the number of those officers will be less. So this is very important thing that we need to remember. Going through the training. So if you have to go through understanding about the training regarding the notification as far as it is concerned, all the selected candidates will be going through with the training of around 49 weeks at OTA Chennai. So this is called as a pre-commissioning training. So according to their position and the final order of merit, thereafter candidates will neither be allowed to marry during the period of training, nor will they be allowed to live with their parents or guardians. If in case any candidate either at SSB time or after SSB or before medicals or after medicals or during training or before the training, if in case any particular candidate, be it male or female, if he has been married, then his candidature will be directly cancelled. Remember that. So every candidate who is going through with the training will get a fixed stipend of around 56,100 rupees per month while he is undergoing the training, he or she. Going through more detail regarding the award of degree, those candidates who are being trained at OTA Chennai will be awarded the degree known as Postgraduate Diploma in Defense Management and Strategic Studies. So this particular diploma will be awarded by the University of Madras. So all candidates who are going through with the passing out parade, they will be awarded this particular diploma in their hands. To get through detail regarding the application, how to apply for this particular entry, you have to simply log on to joinindianarmy.nic.in, click on officer entry, apply, login, click on registration if you're not registered. If you're already registered, then click on login. Thereafter, apply online under the dashboard. You have to click on that. Officer selection eligibility page will be open. So there in the same eligibility page, you will be looking after a complete screen will be showing out, and bottom itself there will be an apply option shown beside this SSC Tech 57 or SSC Women Tech 28 entry course. It will be open. So you have to click on this apply button, and then an application form will open. So you have to read all the instructions, fill in the proper application form, wherein which that application form will include all your personal information details, communication details, educational details, and the details of the previous SSB if in case you have already gone through any previous services selection board interviews. So you have to go through with that and give those updates in a very proper manner. Thereafter, you have to click on save and continue after each and every particular segment, and then at the end you will be showing the complete summary of your information will be shown. If in case if there is any problem regarding at any particular update that you have done, you can click on edit, and then you can make the changes. If in case you don't find any other problem, then you can happily click on submit, and then you can give it. Understanding? So the roll number will be generated 30 minutes after the final closure of application on the last day. Okay, so I will tell you what is the last day. After that particular last day, 30 minutes after the last day's time finishes, thereafter you will be a roll number will be released. Okay, until that time you can do whatever changes you want for this particular application, but after that time is finished, you can't do any change in this particular application. So please make sure while applying itself you take all due precautions and care, and then apply in a very proper manner. Thereafter, the selection procedure, if I have to discuss, all of these applications will be directly shortlisted by the integrated headquarters of the Ministry of Defence. Only the shortlisted candidates will be sent the call letters for the SSB interview. So SSB allotment will be given. So they will be sent a mail to allot their own dates. For the selection of the dates will be given. So candidates will log into the website, and thereafter they will select the SSB dates which are available on the first come first serve basis. Thereafter, the candidates can select their SSB center dates at Allahabad, Bhopal, Bangalore and Kapurthala. Any particular SSB you can get in all of these four. So all of these candidates will go through with that. And to be more specific, allotment of all of these is always at the discretion of the Directorate General of Recruiting of the Ministry of Defence of Army, and no request for changes will be entertained in this particular regard. Remember this, no request for change will be taken into consideration. Your SSB changing is very tough, and don't go through with that. Please select only those dates wherein which you are good and you can check enough, and please do maintain a constant check in the notification related details, and also have a constant check on the website for you to apply for whatever. The more faster you apply your selection SSB interview dates, the more number of options you will have, so that in that way you will be having a very reduced panic, and then you can happily go through with your interview. So at SSB it is a 5-day testing procedure, but the day 1 will be stage 1. It is known as the screening. Only those who qualify the stage 1, they will be sitting for the next few days days, from the days of 2 to 5 at the stage 2, but those who do not qualify the stage 1 will be sent back home on the same day, and all of those candidates who are recommended after stage 2, they will be sent after the medical examination. Those candidates who are declared fit for the medical examination will be awaited to waiting for the waiting list, so they have to wait for their waiting list. So it is to be noted that mere qualifying is SSB interview or qualifying medical examination does not confirm final selection. You must remember that you must get shortlisted in the merit list too, owing to the vacancies available. Only those who get in the merit list will be issued a call letter for the pre-commissioning training at OTH Chennai. Remember these words that you need to remember. And going through with the important dates that I was mentioning to you, online application will be open from today at 3 o'clock. That means by 3 o'clock itself, from today the application is open. So this application will close on 23rd of June 2021 at afternoon 3 o'clock at 1500 hours. By that time, make sure you apply for this particular entry as soon as possible, along with the complete updates and details. To have a complete understanding about the details and to have much more interesting knowledge and input to get through in much more detail regarding this, you can please go through with the notification that is already given in the description box. And if in case you're preparing for this particular important entry, and if you want to crack the stage 1 of this SSB interview procedure, we have already launched a course known as the Officers Intelligence Rating Test, OIR test, and PPDT SSB interview. PPDT meaning the picture perception and discussion test. Regarding the OIR test and PPDT, our course is already live, so interested candidates can go through. It is available with a very good amount, and you can happily go through and subscribe to that particular course, wherein which we are giving the complete updated content regarding the personality development, the PPDT picture, the complete details regarding that, OIR practice tests, and all of these practice tests are actually taken from those question papers which are original ones taken from DIPR and all the previous ones and all. So OIR test, verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning, every other important content issues are already covered from our side. So a lot of candidates are getting benefited through this. So you can also become a part of that winning team. Remember, the whole content will be provided along with the video lectures, live classes, study plans, study notes, and you can also go through with the mock test, wherein which that will give you an All India rank analysis. They will tell you about the level of your competence in the All India level. Thereafter, the complete syllabus is updated, and the most better part regarding our application is that you can access to our application through an offline mode too. So you can use the code, as I was mentioning, the code of Warrior 10, and you can get a discount on all of our courses. Not only OIR, you can subscribe to any particular future defense examination you are preparing for. What you and we both at the same time dream is that you wearing a uniform and having stars or stripes or whatever, or circles or whatever you're dreaming about, let it be Army, Navy or Air Force. If you're dreaming about something, we want it, we want you to achieve that, and we want to become a very strong and very important, inspirational and a very, very beautiful part in your life. This is what SSB Crack Exams is expecting from you. All the very best, and if there are any other doubts or queries, please feel free to ask in the discussion box. You can also go through and ask every other issues regarding the complete details in our application also. I really wish that you always stay safe during this Corona warriors and all of these important people who are fighting the virus and all of the people, please do stay at home and follow all the COVID-19 related norms and regulations. Eat healthy food, always stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling, always be confident. We are always with you, and stay tuned with us. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.